Hello students, welcome to the channel. Today I will give the answer of interior of the earth from 8th standard geography. Chapter number 1 notes already given on my YouTube channel My Home My Study. You can find the video from my playlist. This is the requested video from Zeros X Gaming. If you haven't subscribed the channel, subscribe it now and share with your friends. Let's begin with the exercise. First one, tick correct options in the box. First one, there are two layers in the crust. तो इसका आंसर आएगा सेकंड वाला कॉन्टिनेंटल एंड ओशियनिक क्रस्ट. ठीक है. सेकंड वाला विच एलिमेंट इज फाउंड इन बोथ मेंटल एंड क्रस्ट. तो आंसर आएगा सिलिका. थर्ड वन, which of these minerals are found in the core of the earth. आंसर आएगा आयरन एंड निकल. ठीक है. फोर्थ वाला, द इनर कोर इज इन विच स्टेट. तो आंसर है सॉलिड स्टेट. ठीक है. इवन द आउटर कोर इज मेड अप ऑफ आयरन. फर्स्ट वाला आएगा. ठीक है. F1, द लेयर ऑफ द अर्थ ऑन विच वी लिव. कॉन्टिनेंटल क्रस्ट. फोर्थ वाला आएगा. G1, विच seismic waves can travel through liquid medium. आंसर इज फर्स्ट वन, प्राइमरी वेव्स. ठीक है. तो आपको बॉक्स के अंदर ऐसा राइट का टिक करना है. नेक्स्ट वन, टेल वेदर राइट और रॉन्ग. करेक्ट द रॉन्ग स्टेटमेंट. तो हमको राइट और रॉन्ग बताना भी है. अगर रॉन्ग है तो उसका स्टेटमेंट करेक्ट करके लिखना भी है. ये एग्जाम में आपको 2 मार्क्स का पूछा जाता है. फर्स्ट वन, द डेंसिटी ऑफ वेरियस मटेरियल इज नॉट द सेम इन द इंटीरियर ऑफ द अर्थ. आंसर इज ट्रू. B1, the core of the earth's interior is made up of hard rock. Answer false. The outer core is made up of a liquid state and inner core is made up of solid state. C1, secondary waves cannot pass through outer core. Answer true. Continental crust is made up of silica and magnesium. Answer false. The continental crust is made up of silica and aluminium. Oceanic crust is made up of silica and magnesium. ठीक है. तो इसका रीजन भी देना है अगर रॉन्ग हुआ तो. नेक्स्ट इज आंसर द फॉलोइंग. फर्स्ट वन, व्हाट आर टू पार्ट्स ऑफ द क्रस्ट. व्हाट इज द बेसिस ऑफ क्लासिफिकेशन. Earth's crust is the outermost layer. It can be classified into continental crust and oceanic crust on the basis of chemical composition. The continental crust is made up of silica and aluminium. Oceanic crust is made up of silica and magnesium. Why is the upper mantle called the asthenosphere? The mantle is the layer beneath the earth crust. It consists of two layers, upper and lower mantle. The upper mantle is called asthenosphere. Astheno is a Greek word meaning weak. It is called the weaker layer because it is in liquid state where rock material deform more readily and magma formation take place. C1, magnetosphere of the earth is a result of rotation. Explain. The magnetosphere is the region of space surrounding earth where the dominant magnetic field is the magnetic field of earth rather than the magnetic field of interplanetary space. Earth's magnetic field is developed due to a phenomenon called dynamo effect. It means the generation of a magnetic field due to rotating current. Then you have to write this right paragraph. This electric current is a result of the spiral eddies generated due to the earth rotation and vertical current formed due to the temperature difference between the outer core and inner core. See the next question. Draw neat डायग्राम्स, लेबल देम एंड एक्सप्लेन. तो आपको डायग्राम भी ड्रॉ करना है और उसको एक्सप्लेन भी करना है. ठीक है. फर्स्ट वन, द इंटीरियर ऑफ द अर्थ. तो ये मिल जाएगा आपको पेज नंबर 10 पे. तो आपको ये डायग्राम ड्रॉ करना है पहले, फिर बाद में इसकी इन्फॉर्मेशन लिख. द क्रस्ट इज द आउटर मोस्ट लेयर ऑफ द अर्थ सरफेस. It is divided into continental crust and oceanic crust. It exists in a solid state. The continental crust is made up of silica and aluminium, whereas the oceanic crust is made up of silica and magnesium. It is the thinnest of all layers when compared to mantle and core. The thickness of the crust varies. Continental crust is thicker than oceanic crust. The crust comprises large plates of land called tectonic plates. The movement and interaction of these tectonic plates are responsible for mountain layers when compared to mantle and core. The thickness of the crust varies. Continental crust is thicker than oceanic crust. The crust comprises large plates of land called tectonic plates. The movement and interaction of these tectonic plates are responsible for mountain formation, fertile plains, volcanic eruption, etc. The mantle is the layer beneath the Earth's crust. It is the biggest part of the Earth, comprising more than 85% of the Earth's mass. The upper mantle is in liquid state. It is extremely hot, creating convection currents which are responsible for the movement of plates. Last paragraph is about core. The core is the innermost layer of the earth. It consists of outer core and inner core. The outer core is made up of liquid state and inner core is made up of solid state. The core is mostly made up of iron and nickel. Earth's core is responsible for the generation of the magnetic field, which protects from the high energy particles of solar wind. See the second one, magnetic pole and इक्वेटर. सो स्टूडेंट्स, डायग्राम आपको पेज नंबर 13 पे मिलेगी. तो देखो यहाँ पर ए एंड बी दिया है, तो आपको दोनों ड्रॉ करना है. ठीक है, यहाँ पर मैंने सिर्फ बी वाला दिया है, आपको दोनों ड्रॉ करना है, फर्स्ट वाला और सेकंड वाला. आपको पेज नंबर 13 पे दोनों डायग्राम मिल जाएगी. ठीक है. द मैग्नेटोस्फीयर इज द रीजन ऑफ स्पेस सराउंडिंग अर्थ where the dominant magnetic field is the magnetic field of the earth rather than the magnetic field of interplanetary space. North pole and south pole are the two magnetic poles of the earth. The magnetic poles of the earth are different from geographical poles as shown in the above figure. Equator is an imaginary line along middle of the earth at an equal distance from the north pole and south pole. Next question. Give geographical reasons. First one, there are discontinuities in the interior of the earth. Answer is, the discontinuities in the interior are boundaries between crust, mantle and inner core. They also exist within crust, mantle and core. Discontinuities are formed due to variation in the composition of the earth's interior at different layers. Each of these layers consists of having a distinct composition, physical and chemical properties. For instance, Conrad discontinuity exists within Earth's crust because the continental crust is made up of silica and aluminium and oceanic crust is made up of silica and magnesium. Now see the next question. B1. There is correlation between the density of metals and their location in interior of the earth. Answer. Earth interior is not uniform and consists of different materials with different physical and chemical properties. As it is known that the material with less density float over the materials with large density. The stratification of the earth's interior also holds the same. The crust is the outermost layer of the earth because it is lighter than mantle and core. The core is the innermost layer and has a density greater than crust and mantle. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Mantle is the center of earthquake and volcanic eruption. Answer. The mantle is the layer beneath the earth crust. The upper mantle is called asthenosphere, which is in liquid state. In this layer, the rock material deforms more readily and magma formation take place. The internal energy released due to endogenic movement caused in the mantle is responsible for earthquake and volcanic eruption. Next question. D1. The thickness of the crust below the continent is less as compared to the oceans. Answer. The width of continental crust varies between 35 to 40 km, whereas the width of oceanic crust is between 7 to 10 km. Orogeny takes place on the continental crust, which creates mountains and thickness the crust. More mass accumulates with time, which eventually increases the width of continental crust. Next question is E1. Earth is protected because of magnetosphere. Answer. The magnetosphere is the region of space surrounding Earth where the dominant magnetic field is the magnetic field of Earth. This magnetic field protects the Earth atmosphere from the harmful solar winds coming from the sun. These solar winds consist of high energy particles which have the potential to disrupt the Earth's communication system. With this, we have finished our question answer series of chapter number 2, Interior of Earth. Subscribe to the channel, share with your friends. Do like,